comrade?
Would you be Babinski, Barankov, and Ivanov?
Yes?
I'm Nina Yoshenko, envoy extraordinary, acting under direct orders of Comrade Commissar Markovich.
Comrade? What a charming idea for Moscow to surprise us with a lady, comrade. If we would have known, we would have greeted you with flowers.
What are we doing in a place like this? This looks more like a palace than a hotel.
True, but that's Paris for you. Actually, it's very second-rate.
Borov is living here. We thought we stay close.
So that we can observe all his movements.
We're wasting time. Where do we go?
It's on the 4th floor. Porter!
Madame?
What do you want?
May I have your bags, madame?
Why?
He's a porter. He wants to carry them.
Why? Why should you carry other people's bags?
Well, it's my business, madame.
That's no business. That's social injustice.
Allow me, comrade.
No, thank you.
How can such a civilization survive, where women are permitted to wear things like these?
Here, comrade.
I prefer the stairs.
But it's on the 4th floor.
I will walk. You take the elevator.
Da.
Comrade! Here, comrade. This is the apartment we reserved for you, Comrade Yoshenko. I hope you like it.
Which part of the room is mine?
You see, it's different here. They don't rent rooms in pieces. We have to take the whole suite.
The whole suite.
On account of the prestige of the Soviet Union.
We ourselves, we would be much happier with a little room next to servants' quarters.
Which we are now going to move into.
Comrades, your report was received with great disfavor in Moscow. You have handled the situation very strangely. Comrade Babinski?
Yes, comrade?
Do you spell Babinski with 2 B's or 3?
With 2 B's, if you please.